Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम यावर सईद है and I'm a cardiologist and electrophysiologist at Aga Khan University Hospital. I'm also a director of Karachi Electrophysiology Summit. This year in 2026, Karachi Electrophysiology Summit is happening on 7th and 8th of August in Continental Hotel Karachi, and we have an excellent program for general cardiologists, general practitioners, electrophysiology fellows, early and mid-career electrophysiologists, and also allied health professionals. We are going to kick off on Friday with a cardio obstetric sections in arrhythmia and pregnancy. Together we have different ECG workshops, intracardiac workshops on device and EP tracings. We are also going to have a simulation session for electrophysiology fellows, which will run concurrently throughout 7th and 8th of August. The state-of-art lecture has been thoughtfully planned on controversies in atrial fibrillation management, and then on Saturday we will do and cover the newer technologies in electrophysiology, which include conduction system pacing, Bachmann bundle pacing, PFA ablations for atrial fibrillation, heart failure, sudden cardiac death, and also discussion on VT ablation. So there's going to be a very informative and educational EP summit, and we have thoughtfully and carefully planned it so that all have some interest, and it will cover both the cardiology topic and the newer EP technologies which are coming through, and they have sessions for allied health professionals as well as for our nursing colleague. So please do join us on 7th and 8th of August in PC for Karachi Electrophysiology Summit, and you will have a great time learning and meeting with your peers. Thank you.